This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the entertainment package, a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a smartphone adapter, aluminum wheels, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.